एक बहुत ही बड़ी सीक्रेट मैं आपके साथ आज शेयर करने वाला हूँ इस वीडियो में, जो कि बिल्कुल सीक्रेट नहीं है. दैट इज once you have this small little crazy guy with you, which is your smartphone, you can easily start making amazing videos. बट जब YouTube वीडियो बनाने की बात है तो आपके YouTube वीडियोस के लिए आइडियाज हम कैसे फाइंड करें, कैसे हम वो ट्रेंडिंग टॉपिक्स को फाइंड करें जिस टॉपिक्स पे लोग वीडियो देखना चाहते हैं. एक YouTube वीडियो को बनाने की जो पूरी प्रोसेस है वो क्या होती है, अगर आप जानना चाहते हो then this video is just for you. Hello and welcome. My name is Gokular from Social Superfly and I'm here to help you create a business and life you love and want. With that said, चलिए शुरू करते हैं. क्या होती है YouTube वीडियो बनाने की प्रोसेस? What are the steps to make a YouTube video? In this video, I'm going to share with you the 10 steps process that you can use to start creating YouTube videos. So step number 1 is discover your true passion. ऐसा कौन सा टॉपिक है जिन पे आप घंटों तक बात कर सकते हो, आपको जिन पे बात करना बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है. What are some topics that you really love to talk about? And कहीं ना कहीं वो आपके नॉलेज के जरिए आप लोगों को हेल्प कर सकते हो. This might be the things you're really passionate about. ऐसे ही कोई टॉपिक्स को लेके आप आपकी YouTube चैनल स्टार्ट कर सकते हो. स्टेप नंबर 2 इज फाइंड योर नीश. दोस्तों, नीश का मतलब होता है कि कोई भी एक टॉपिक जो आपको पसंद है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू लव योगा, सो यू हैव टू नैरो इट डाउन. तो ऐसा क्या है योगा के बारे में विच इज ट्रेंडिंग एंड पीपल आर ट्राइंग टू गेट मोर इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट इट. There's multiple ways you can find your niche, but one of the very simple way is to go on a sites like Quora and search about your passion or topic. So for example, if you go to Quora and try to search for yoga, I mean, look at the screen. People are trying to search about yoga for weight loss, yoga for belly fat loss, yoga for beginners. So ये सारे जो topics आप देख रहे हो, these are the niche. For example, you can specialize into yoga, which is for weight loss, which is for belly fat loss. And उसके around आप ऐसे YouTube videos आप बना सकते हो which interests people. So generally लोग Quora पे जाते हैं to find the answers, but you can go to Quora to research about the questions that people have around topics that you have for YouTube. The next step is all about finding your flavor. What is finding your flavor? दोस्तों, जब YouTube वीडियो बनाने की बात है तो there are multiple types of YouTube videos that people love to watch. So there are observational comedy videos, there are educational videos, entertainment videos, tutorial videos, reaction videos, unboxing videos. You need to decide आप कैसे videos बनाना चाहते हो. What is your flavor? Just decide on that. And step number 4 is about finding a good name for your YouTube channel. You need to find some really good name for your YouTube channel. So when you're trying to decide your brand name, keep it simple, keep it easy to pronounce, make it memorable, and make it witty if you can. When you are building your presence on a social media platform, there's always some extra points for some humor. So if you are able to find some name which has thoda sa humor in it, you will definitely get better engagement for your YouTube channel. Just to get some naming ideas for your YouTube channel, you can use some tools like Namelicks. And step number 5, I want you to find video title ideas for your first YouTube video ever. Okay, how do you find it? There are some expert level tools that you can use like TubeBuddy to analyze the search volume, competition, etc. whenever you decide to make video on any topic. But I'm going to give you one absolutely beginner level hack. Okay, क्या करोगे, कैसे करके आप आपके वीडियो के लिए टॉपिक आइडिया लेके आओगे? Just try to find some really well established YouTube channel in your topic. For example, as a yoga, I'll jump on a YouTube and try to find some really good channel about yoga. So now if you go to videos that this YouTube channel has already posted, you can filter it based on the most popular videos, newest and oldest. So अगर आप most popular videos में देखें, if you click on a most popular, you will have so many interesting, amazing ideas, the topic ideas, and ये जो सारे topics हैं that are most popular on YouTube. So this is exactly how you can find some really cool topic, ideas. Now in step number 6, we are moving towards the production of a video. एक वीडियो की प्रोडक्शन हम कैसे करें? जनरली लोग एक वीडियो को पूरा स्क्रिप्ट करने की कोशिश करते हैं. My suggestion will be just create outline. पूरे वीडियो की जो स्क्रिप्टिंग है वो आपको रेडी करने की जरूरत नहीं है. आपके जो वीडियोस हैं, it should sound heart to heart. You should just stand in front of a camera and talk to the camera like you're talking to your best friend. Just create an outline of your video. Do some amazing research and create some fantastic outline for your YouTube videos, and then just get set, go and roll. And step number 7, I'm going to show you how to use your smartphone to make some amazing videos. Now if you click somewhere above, you will find the entire video that I have done on smartphone filmmaking, how you can create some amazing videos just using your smartphone. कौन से gears use करना है, कौन से equipments use करना है, ये सारे जो suggestions हैं वो ऊपर वाले वीडियो में है. Just watch that video to get some more insights. But here are some quick tips for you to create some amazing videos just using your smartphone. राइट कौन सा गियर्स आप यूज कर रहे हो, कौन से कैमरास, कौन से प्रोडक्शन इक्विपमेंट्स आप यूज कर रहे हो, वो बिल्कुल ही मैटर नहीं करता. सबसे ज्यादा जो मैटर करता है वो है आपका कंटेंट कैसा है. अगर आपके कंटेंट में दम है तो चाहे गियर्स कितने भी कम है, आपकी YouTube चैनल चल जाएगी. But here are some quick tips that I would like to give. Number 1 is lights. Use some window lights, use some natural lights. When your video has a good lighting, आप कौन सा स्मार्टफोन या कौन सा कैमरा यूज कर रहे हो वीडियो बनाने के लिए, वो कम मैटर करेगा. Number 2 is your video should have some really amazing audio. Okay, आपके वीडियो की जो ऑडियो है, जो साउंड है, वो अच्छी होनी चाहिए. So here are some beginners mic that you can use with your smartphone. This is a Miyano mic. How to pronounce it? It's a Miyano. These are Miyano mic and these are Boya BY-M1. ये दोनों जो माइक्रोफोन है वो थोड़े I've just tried and tested and at a beginner's level I think it works pretty well with your smartphone. जो हैंडहेल्ड वीडियो जो हम बनाते हैं तो फ्रेम्स में थोड़ा शेकीनेस आ जाता है, बट जब आपके पास एक ट्राइपॉड है तो वीडियो लुक्स रियली स्टेडी. इट विल रियली मेक योर वीडियो लुक प्रोफेशनल. When you have some good lights and sound and tripod kind of stuffs in place, just hit the recording button and just talk to a camera like you're talking to your best buddy, your best friend. Okay? जिसके साथ आप घंटों तक बात कर सकते हो. पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन एडिटिंग में आपका दिमाग लगाओगे, बट जब when you are shooting the video, आप दिल से बात करोगे. And that's the way some amazing YouTube videos are made. Step number 8 is about smartphone editing. Okay, so here are 2 apps that I would like to suggest, which is available on Android and iOS, both devices. So number 1 is VN Editor and number 2 is InShot Video Editor. इवन ये जो ऐप है वो एंड्रॉयड एंड iOS दोनों डिवाइसेस पे अवेलेबल है. These are some really cool, amazing apps. You just download these apps, just play around. It is very straightforward. It's very simple. Literally, if you can make a PPT, the PowerPoint presentations, you can use these apps to edit your videos and create some really cool stuff. I've used it. I loved it. I want you to try and drop your feedback in a comment section. And step number 9 is how to create a thumbnail. It's pretty simple and it's just a 2 minutes job to create a thumbnail. Go to the canva.com and आपकी YouTube video thumbnail का एक template बनाइए. Every time you make a new video, you just need to make some edits into that thumbnail. Use it as your template thumbnail. It doesn't take more than 2 minutes to create your YouTube video thumbnail when you have some websites like Canva. And the step 10, just throw your videos on YouTube, make it public. There's one quick hack. अगर आप सबसे पहली बार एक YouTube वीडियो पोस्ट कर रहे हो and you're still in hesitation मैं करूँ या ना करूँ, here's an honest confession. Even I had some sort of hesitation when I published my first YouTube video. आपके वीडियो के जो कंटेंट में दम है तो लोग definitely उनको appreciate करेंगे. Just take a leap of faith, hit publish button and just put your first ever video on a YouTube. And I promise you, as long as you're putting something really interesting that entertain people, that educate people, that inspire people, okay, you will not regret. With that said, I hope you like this video. अगर आपके पास ऐसे कोई YouTube videos बनाने के hacks हैं, नीचे comment section में जाइए, share some amazing YouTube hacks with me. इस channel को subscribe करें, ये video को like करें. My name is Gokular from Social Superfly and I'm here to help you create a business and life you love and want. I will see you back soon. तब तक के लिए, don't forget to follow your passion, be amazing and take a very good care of yourself.